event, one off. So we're on, super stoked. Let's go. Bike is all ready to go. Some sandpaper on there.
Well, I don't need to lie no more. Nowadays all I do is shine. Take a breath and ease my mind. She don't cry no more. She tell me that I get her high, cause I ain't supposed to fly. I ain't asking why no more. I know I take it if it's mine. I don't stay inside the lines. It ain't 2009 no more. Yeah, I know what's behind that door. Yeah, okay, you gotta jump in to swim. Well, the light was dim and this light was sin. Now every day I wake up and breathe. I don't have it all, but that's alright with me. Take it nice and easy, took a flight to see. Sent you back home with a life that's beating. The whole team about to figure it out. The ice cold, that's what winter about. And sometimes, I wish I took a simpler route. Instead of having demons that's as big as my house. Have to ball with a similar bounce. Cause the party ain't over till they kicking me out. Yeah, isn't it funny? We can make a lot of money, buy a lot of things, just to feel a lot of ugly. I was gay, I ain't much, looking for what was looking for me. But I don't need to lie no more. Nowadays, I'd rather have me peace of mind. See me and you, we ain't that different. I struck the fuck out and then I came back in. Time to finish, mind my business. Life ain't a life to me, and I was digging me a hole, big enough to bury my soul.
This is Kyle. Broken shoulder, can't race. Like, awesome day. Been a bit slack on the camera today, but it's all good. Yep, I'm just gonna go get a mister with the ice cream. Let's go. The bike, 3 wins. 1, 1, 1, and 2 more races tomorrow. I'm gonna get that 5 wins and we on. Oh yeah, Greg Murphy, yep, cool mate. Cool mate. Hey, cool mate. Ah.
I do a shine, take a breath and ease my mind.
Just got home, finished up for the day. Day 1 of the 2-day twist natural terrain, and I had 3 races and I got 3 wins. And in the last race I stalled it on the start line and on my way back up to first just carved the pack, so that was sick. And yeah, so cleaned the bike and ready for tomorrow. Ready for day 2. Another day in paradise.
No more. Yeah, I know what's behind that door.
Let's go Boston! That's the easy one, dude. Let's go! What the fuck? Oh, what's your name?
Full bag, bro.
Oh, yo. Easy dog.
Yeah.
Money.
Oi, my bike keep bogging, look.
Nah, you're on rails, cuz.